Have you ever found yourself with one of these in your hand and felt like this?
Oh no.
This is Dr. Shelson's How to Live in 2 Minutes or Less.
Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid temptation with this beautiful heirloom banana bread in 2 minutes or less, so you don't do something like this, or this, or this. I'm pretty sure we're forgetting something. Much better. Now, let's put it all together in 2 minutes or less. Now we'll add our 1.5 cups of spring hard red flour. Not like that, more like this. Half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it like you mean it. Can we change the music? Definitely no. That works. In the mixer, add 3 ripe organic bananas, 3/4 cup. Are you sure that we're going to be able to do this in 2 minutes? 3/4 cup organic cane sugar, 2 organic eggs, half cup softened butter, and half tablespoon pure vanilla extract. Time to mix it up. All right, add in our dry ingredients. Me personally, I like to add raisins and walnuts. You could add chocolate. And I like to use 100% pure avocado oil spray. All right, flour the pan. I just put a little bit in, and you just kind of roll it around. So now we're gonna take the mix and put it in our low pan.
And now after all the hard work, we're gonna go put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour.
It's so beautiful.
Download this amazing heirloom banana bread recipe in the link below. And don't forget to smash the like button.
Give me the tagline.
What's the tagline?
What is it? They won't hear me.
This is how to live in, or this is Dr. Shelson, and this is how to live in 2 minutes or less. Okay, sorry.
This is
Hurry up, go.
I'm Dr. Shelson.
Dr. Shelton. Wait, I don't know if we say that. Stop being told how not to live.
Oh,
Start
yeah,
living.
yeah, sorry. Shoot, I forgot.
And
I'm Dr. Shelson, right? Yeah, I'm Dr. Shelson.
Shelson.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm Dr. Shelson. Stop being told how not to live and start living.
Dr. Shelson.
I'm Dr. Shelson, yes.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm pretty
And
sure.
you're-
Let me get my license out and
Okay.
see.